So what I want to do is take you through quickly how I am able to earn a living off investing in options and how I can look at a chart and pretty much determine what it's going to do next. Now, you can't time the market, but using indicators and a little evaluation analysis helps. And this is going to be quick because I want to keep this short and it's mostly for beginners. So if you see this chart, it looks like a bunch of mess. There's colors, lines, and stuff everywhere. So whenever I meet with clients, it's one of the first things they say is this looks confusing. So I'm going to break it down quickly, how you're able to interpret this and how I do it and how I make it easy. So first, I'm going to get rid of all of this. So boom, now everything's gone. So now we just have a regular chart and it looks like it's just a bunch of mess, things moving up and down. So I'm going to make this quick and show you how I'm able to determine what it's going to do before it does it. So this is just a regular chart. The stock doesn't matter. I'm not going to give you the real names of the indicators. I'm just going to say indicator 1. So I'm going to add indicator 1. Now indicator 1 is added. So you see here we have green for whenever it wants to go up, green or yellow for whenever this stock is about to increase. We have red when the stock is in a downward or bearish pattern. Easy to recognize. So if I see this green start to go up here, this yellow start to go up here, I know that there's a pattern coming. But you never move off one indicator. So let's add the second indicator. So now we've added the second indicator. It's these dots here. Now remember, I'm not giving you the real name of the actual indicator. I'm just going to go with indicator 2. So this is the second indicator on top of the bars here. So when it's over top like this, it's a bearish or downward pattern. When the dots are on the bottom of the bars here, like underneath them, it's a bullish pattern. So you see how it's over top and it goes down and it's bearish, and it's underneath the bars here and it's bullish. That's the second indicator telling me that it's bullish here. So we have dots and we have the green telling me here that it's going to be a bullish pattern upcoming. Now let's add the third indicator. So we've added our third indicator here, these red, yellow, and green bars. So this stock will trade inside these lines over 90% of the time. So you know if this stock ever touches the red or the green lines, it's going to try to reverse course and go back into where it's supposed to be. Easy enough. For example, this date right here with this big red bar is August 11th. You know if somebody comes to you on August 11th and they say, hey, buy this stock, and you log in and you see it's close to this red line up here, it's probably not a good time to buy this. Easy enough. If somebody comes to you and what date is this? July 15th, and it's near this green line, it's a possibility. So you should look into it and mix it with other indicators, but you can use that simple enough to use that along with the other indicators to determine if you should buy or when you should buy this actual stock. Let's move to the fourth indicator. Okay, so now we've added our fourth indicator, this histogram down here. All right, so if you see red, that is not good. That means it's going to have a strong momentum downwards. So you see it correlates perfectly with this chart. Yellow means that downward momentum is slowing down, and it's possible that it's either going to go neutral or bullish after that. That's the yellow. Now, the red means that there's a strong move in either direction coming. That's these red dots right here. The light blue bars signals a strong move upwards. So if you see that, you see it correlates perfectly with that. The dark blue bars indicate that strong upwards momentum is dying down, and you can see there that that happened right there. So you can mix this indicator in with the other indicators to determine what's going to happen next. Easy enough. Let's add the fifth indicator. This is the fifth indicator we're adding. Well, this will be the last one we use. We use a ton of indicators, but we'll end on this one. If you have these lines up here and it's above this blue line, that means it's overbought. That means most likely this stock is coming down. Overbought means too many people bought it. So if it's down here underneath this blue line, that means it's oversold. Now a stock can stay oversold if it's not good, but there's a better chance for increasing if it's oversold. So you can see it correlates with that. That goes up. When it's overbought here, it comes down. When it's oversold right here, what does it do? It goes up. So if you have a date right here and you're thinking about possibly shorting it or buying something where you benefit if it decreases, it's the perfect time to do it. It's touching the top red line. It has the dots over top of the charts, 2 bearish signs. The dark blue is another bearish sign that started right there, and what's happening right there. RSI, or the line indicator, is overbought, meaning it's coming down. It's easy. It's easy to determine what it's going to do before it does it. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.